and it just looks exquisite on, even naked. Hey guys, welcome back. Last Tuesday, I got caught so off guard. It was snowing in my office. Today, I'm all bundled up, so I'm ready for it. And so today is about this fabulous little tree. Now, I love this tree. It's from Crate and Barrel. I've had it for the last couple of years. It is so versatile. It's just a paper bark birch that's wrapped with LED lights. So you can even do it with just lights, no ornaments, like this. So I've had this tree for a couple of years. Sometimes I just leave it plain. Sometimes I add a few balls. It's super versatile and it's so lovely that a lot of times I leave it up afterwards for a couple of months plain just because it's so beautiful in my room or my office. It's just perfect. And this week we're gonna give 5 of these trees away to you guys. These are actually the 5 trees I'm giving away. I am gonna link them down below. You wanna make sure that you sign up at lisaholt.com and get on my email list so maybe you win one of these little guys. So me and Mr. Snowman are gonna be here for the next couple of weeks talking to you guys about all the wonderful things that we're giving away, and some of them are some of my favorite things which I really love and I want to share with you guys. So make sure you sign up down below and I'll see you guys next week.